Hi there, because the time-lapse video moves so fast, I want to go over with you what you're going to need step by step for your manicure. First of all, you're going to want to cover your space with a towel because this is a messy little process. Then you're going to want to get yourself hot sudsy water, a fine grit nail file. I like ones that are like 120 grit, I think, or 240. This one has two sides. It shouldn't feel super scratchy or rough. You want a very fine grit to tune up the edges of your nails before you start. So you're going to soak your nails in your sudsy water, and after they're soaked for a little bit, you're going to use one of my favorites is Deborah Lippmann. You can find this at Nordstrom. This is the most hardcore cuticle remover I've ever found. A little bit goes a long way, and it does a great job at loosening up the cuticle from your nail plate. That's important because you want that back edge to look as smooth and nice as the front. So once you get your Deborah Lippmann in, or whatever you're using for cuticle remover, you take your cuticle stick, just an orange wood stick, old-fashioned, and push back gently. You don't want to push into the nail plate because you'll make a little dent in there. So push back gently, soak those again, and get all your cuticle remover off. Then we're going to start the manicure. I recommend Zoya Remove. This is called the Big Flipper, but it comes in your manicure kit, the color lock kit from Zoya that we're selling. So you clean off the nail plate thoroughly with your polish remover. You're going to put one thin coat of base coat, 2 coats of your color. In my case today, I used Portia. Let that dry. You know how you do. And then a top coat from Zoya also, which is in your color lock kit. After that's all on, give it about a minute. And then you're going to put their very cool fast drops on top, drop by drop on every nail. That'll help set it. And then last but not least, on the cuticle on the back edge and on underneath the free edge of your nail, you're going to put solar oil, which is something that we swear by. We've used this for 18 years. You can use that on bare nails if you want to skip the polish and just go straight to the hydrating, because you're going to need that right now with all the hand washing that we're doing. So there you are.